Welcome back. Today I'm going to review a very large, bigger than I thought it was going to be, Godox S200. Now what this is it's a light stick that turns the light 360 degrees, like compared to your regular 8200 flash that just shoots a beam out from here. So let's unbox this and see what we got. I have a few questions about this thing, and what's weird is I haven't heard many people talking about it. I think it's only been out about a month or so, but I still figured there would have been more talk about it. I just happened to run into it online. It's open. It comes with a nice case. It comes with a nice little carrying case, so that's pretty cool. So let's see what happens when we get in here to this thing. My question about it is, if it's sending light 360 degrees, and this is focusing the beam of light, how much light fall off am I going to have on a subject? Now, it does have some barn doors that come with it. I guess this would be the barn doors. And this is the first time I'm seeing it, just taking it out of the box. Here is the light wand, light stick, whatever you want to call it. It's got a place for you to mount on a light pole, tripod, whatever you want to put it on. But when this goes, when you fire this, it sends out light 360 degrees. Now you can use these barn doors. Okay, well it didn't break, that's good. So we do have the nice case. Now here it is with the barn doors on it. Now you can pull the barn doors back, and now I would suppose you're getting about 180, either that or this would be 180, because the back is shielded off. So if I'm using the barn doors, let's say I'm going to angle it to about right here, so the light comes out from there. I'm curious to how that will compare to the light coming out of here. How many stop drop off am I going to have from having this? Now I have seen some cool pictures taken with it, but I just don't know how limited it's going to be. Like if you're outside in the sun and you're trying to, you know, overpower the sun a little bit to get the shadows out of the face, I don't know how much drop off it's going to have. We'll put it on the AD200, and yes, it does go on your AD200. You just take the front off, just like that. Put that to the side. Then you take this piece that's on the back of the light stick, and you pop it on just like that. Then when you turn on your AD200, we do have some power on here. Let's see what kind of flash we get when I flash this thing. I got it set real low right now. Let me change that out of it. So here we go. Let's see what we get this time. So you know, it sounds good, looks good. I'm anxious to put this up against this with this head for comparison to see what the difference is going to be. I think this is either going to be something I'm really going to love, or I'm going to find almost useless. It's somewhere in between there. I'm just not sure which way I think it's going to go. I hope that it comes out to something really cool, because you can put it in small places. Like if you're in a car, you can just take the stick out, lay it in the floorboard, and you don't have to worry about pointing your flash. You can just lay this in there and boom, the flash goes off 360 if you take the barn doors off. So anyway, I'm going to mount it on a tripod or a light stand and show you guys what it looks like on a light stand. Guys, I just want to take a quick moment to ask you if you'll hit that like and subscribe button. It'll go a long way toward growing our channel. Thank you. Now you can order this separate part. I forget, I think it was like 30 bucks. That was one thing about this light that really got me. I was expecting maybe $175, $200. It retails for $330. I got a Black Friday sale on it for about $280, but that's still pretty high for Godox. It's going to have to impress me a pretty good bit to keep it. But this little thing, I think I paid $25, $30 for this. Case you slide your AD200 into, put it on your belt, and then, you know, if you want to fire it, you fire it. And then you can take the barn doors off. I'll show you what it looks like with the barn doors off. And then now here it is, just the bare tube. It's supposed to be 360 degree light. So we'll just give it another fire. I don't know if we can tell much from this, but it's sending light 360 degrees. I'm curious though, I really am curious. I wish I had somebody here with me to shoot right now. I'm here by myself. I'm really curious to how it's going to differ from this light head or the bare bulb, and see which one gives me enough light. If this one's going to be strong enough, if I can bend the barn doors in enough to get enough power to overpower the sun, then I'll be pretty happy with it. A lot of what I read about it talks about how soft the light is. You don't even have to use a softbox or anything like that. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So anyway, I'm going to check this thing out. I'm going to do some pictures of some people, and we're going to see how it looks comparatively to the other heads that the AD200 has, and see how it works out. And I'll let you guys know in just a few days. Hey, for helping you guys out, hit subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.